Welcome to your 5-minute hill add-on. This is a great little piece that you can add on to any workout if you're looking to increase your strength, build your muscular endurance, or hey, maybe you just want to climb a hill, and that's great too. So we're going to spend 4 minutes climbing up, and we're going to take 1 minute to come down, because whatever goes up must come down. Here we go. Reach down. Gear it up. Find your 7. Let's get somewhere about 75, right in the middle of those 70s. We're not too steep yet. This is the base of the hill, and we're gonna climb up, okay? So it's a gradual climb, and I promise you, we're gonna get to your 10. All right. Make sure you've got enough gear. If you don't have that monitor at home, feel free to match my legs for those RPMs, all right? But we're gonna get steep, I'm not gonna lie. Come on, push through. Breathe. Chest is up. Shoulders are down away from the ears. Elbows are slightly bent. Knees are forward. Little change coming up. Breathe. Right here, reach down. Gear it up to your 8. We're moving into the lower portion of the 70s as we start to get higher up our climb. Breathe. Climb. I want you to try to think about using both legs equally. So right and left. Smooth pedal strokes and don't let one leg take over. Come on. Stay right here. Feel those legs working. You've got this. Another change coming up. Here it comes. Reach down. Gear it up. Find your 9 and hold right here. Nine and climb, my favorite. Dig. You're right about 65 RPMs. And guess what? In less than 20 seconds, we're gonna hit your 10. And I need you to maintain that for 60 seconds. Yes, it's gonna be out of your comfort zone, but you can do it. All right, here it comes. Are you ready? Ready or not? Gear it up. Climb. Dig. Use both legs. Right. Left. Push. Dig. Do you have enough gear? You are pushing 60. No more. No less. About 30 seconds. Then we're gonna turn the top and come down that hill that we just conquered. Stay with me, 20 more. Breathe. You've got this. Come on. Dig. Here we go. Are you ready? Ready or not, gear it down, pick up that pace. Let's ride. Control. Even on the descent, you need control. Don't let those legs get away from you. Come on down that hill. Ride. Are you rocking on the saddle? If you are, gear it up. No rocking. Finish strong. We're almost there. Let's go. Breathe. Pedal. Hold. Hold. 2, 1. Back it off. I don't know what was harder, the uphill or the downhill. I'm not sure, but whichever one it was, got a good work. I'm sweating. I'm breathing hard, and I can feel it in my leg. I hope you enjoyed this last little 5-minute add-on. Maybe you have a little extra time. You can add another little 10-minute workout. Maybe you're done today and need a stretch. Either way, whatever you're about to do, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for riding with me, and I'll see you right here on screen again soon. Go be amazing.